If you're new to our channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of the Cufflinks family. We, you don't have to pay rent, you know. Just like, share, subscribe. Tell somebody about Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire with fun.
Inspirational.
For real.
Educational.
Oh, they do that. Okay. And we're gonna be talking a little bit about something that is a real conversation today. One of our favorite YouTube couples, Kristen and Reef, KNR squad, Badman Reef, did a video and they were talking about cheating.
Hanging out with your ex without telling your partner.
Cheat. That is blasphemy.
Have you ever cheated on me?
Depends on what you classify as cheating.
What? In your heart, in your mind, have you ever cheated on me? No, he's not a sipper, no. He's not a...
What is cheating?
You don't answer my question yesterday.
I said, what is cheating?
Have you ever cheated on me?
I said, what is cheating?
Have you ever cheated on me?
Have you ever cheated on me?
Question, can I answer a question?
No, you have to answer though.
No, I've never cheated.
I know I've never cheated.
So if me said yes, you say yes?
Babe, in the context of this video.
No, I asked first. I
Babe,
never go into the
no.
video. Okay. Alright, so they looked at some questions and scenarios to define if it is cheating or not. If it's cheating or not. So we wanted to touch and weigh in on that. If your partner has a best friend of the opposite sex, and we've spoken about this before, so this is the first one. Do you consider that cheating?
What? No.
No? Okay. Same for me, no.
You would have cheated a lot on me.
You would have cheated a lot on me.
Point is, no, we don't. You know, first things first, I believe that she's not my best friend, but she's my wifey, you know. She's my girl. She's my
more
babe.
than a best friend.
More than a best friend. She's on a category all by herself.
Thank you.
Friends are in one category, and then they have a closer friend, but wifey, she's my wife, so we don't believe that one is cheating. And we don't believe, I mean, if anybody is having such a situation, we don't think it's cheating unless they don't draw boundaries. They must know to draw boundaries. Next question. If your partner goes on any social media platform and likes a video of somebody who is dressed scantily or skimpily, is that cheating?
No.
Why? Why not?
How is that parallel to cheating?
Is it alright? So if the person does it
It may
consistently,
be inappropriate, but I wouldn't consider it cheating.
Suppose the person does it consistently.
Inappropriate.
Still inappropriate.
Because you can see it maybe means that it's something that you are, you know, lusting after, that kind of thing. But I don't consider it cheating. Maybe inappropriate, but not cheating.
Inappropriate. So inappropriate is not cheating, but it is still something that is distasteful or disrespectful in a relationship. Right. For me, same thing. I think it suggests that there's something you're fascinated with or like over there.
Mind you, Brian Finger can touch the like button, you know. Which
What has happened to me? Not even just touch the like button. Somebody would post, you know, you have the 10 pictures. And the first picture, it have a quote or something. And double tap. And then you scroll and you see, I double tap and so I unlike so quick. But sometimes
you don't even
you don't realize. And then when the person sees it now, it can be contentious. I also think you can like the picture without lusting. I can like the picture without liking the person too. So I just think it goes back to intention and knowing your partner. Alright, your partner goes out with somebody of the opposite sex, whether for dinner, whether for lunch, whatever, and they don't tell you about it. Is that cheating?
By themselves? Again. And they don't tell you about it, like they intentionally don't tell you about it?
Yeah, I mean, alright, so let's say one of my friends come by work and we go for lunch out by one of the restaurants.
I don't think it's cheating, but I don't see why you wouldn't tell me.
The friend just popped up and went for lunch. I never ever think about you in the moment.
Well, I'm sure you would have scrolled on Instagram during the time, and if you can scroll on Instagram, you can say it to me.
If I never scroll on Instagram, what's
sure
a friend I haven't seen for years?
You'd have gone on your phone at some point or the other.
But in the moment, I wouldn't be thinking about messaging you to say I am out with so and so.
And that's a problem. That's a problem.
I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem if she says anything to me or don't say anything to me.
I have a problem.
I don't have a problem if somebody messaged me and say, hey, I saw a bus out with so and so and so or with a guy and it wasn't you. I mean, they probably starting something. But I just don't, because I just believe that she have fun, she never remember at the time. If we were to go out together, if she stood me up or something for that person now, then I would have a problem with it. Or if she was to pick up the girls or something and she didn't because she's so caught up in this situation. But if it's just a case of her going to lunch or dinner, I don't have a problem. Dinner is a bit more, takes a bit more planning, I think, and dressing up.
I think out of respect, both partners, if that's the case, should say something to their husband or wife. I don't care what you do, you can't so busy. You can't so busy to. It's not like you and the person buck up out there.
That's what I'm saying. If the person come by your workplace, buck up, you just and them say.
I say buck up at the restaurant.
Okay.
It's not like you and the person buck up at the restaurant and you say, oh yeah, eat here too. Yeah man, me eat here too, whatever. But even so, it don't take 30 seconds to say, hey babe, whatever. Because for me, I'm very mindful of shunning the very appearance of evil, right? So and if Brian is ever too busy to do that, we're gonna have a problem. Let me state that on record.
All my friends out there.
We're going to have a problem. I don't have a problem with him going. I have a problem with him not checking in and saying something.
If you're interested in linking up and going out for lunch or dinner, please let me know in advance so I can get my permission slip signed.
And it has nothing to do with permission. And it's not insecure either. For those of you who will want to say, oh, it's insecure, it has nothing to do. Especially given what we do and stuff. Yeah, out of courtesy. You can imagine me there somewhere and somebody say, like say I'm down the road somewhere, somebody say, but just see your husband. I'm saying, yeah. My husband don't go to lunch. I'm doing egg sandwich at work.
But if my friend carries me out for lunch,
I think out of courtesy, you check in with your wife.
I'll make a note of that.
Yeah.
Flirting with somebody of the opposite sex. Cheating or not cheating?
Flirting? That's inappropriate.
But he's not cheating.
I don't use the word cheating so lightly.
Alright, I agree. It's inappropriate. Flirting. Why would you flirt with somebody else?
Why would you do that?
It's not cheating, but you don't flirt. You full stop, right? When you're single, fine. But when you're in a relationship or when you're married, no. Problems.
What?
Your partner kisses someone of the opposite sex on the lips. I mean, your partner kisses somebody else on the lips, even if they're just friends. Is that cheating?
Yes, it is.
What is cheating? We need to go back to what is cheating. What is cheating?
Cheating is that.
That is cheating.
That is cheating.
Is cheating that?
Yes, it is.
Is that cheating?
Mm-hmm. Even though they're just friends, it's inappropriate and it's cheating.
To kiss on the lips.
That is a very, for me, that is a very...
Suppose the person, let's say the person, you see them at the airport or you see them on the road. No, look. If you see them on the road or you see them at the airport and they be like, Basilia, how you do?
Who are gonna do that?
You see them on the road or you see them at the airport and they be like, Basilia, how you do?
Who are gonna do that?
I'm asking.
Nobody now do that.
Suppose it's like an older uncle. I don't know.
You mean like the older uncle with this too? We had the wedding and come kiss me on my mouth right in front of you?
Oh, so that did happen?
You remember? You were there. You were right there.
Who that?
Did you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Oh,
For
yes.
the whole rest of the wedding.
That was uncomfortable.
I was
It was our
shook.
wedding? No. Oh.
It was before we got married, but we were together.
That was uncomfortable.
Mind you, nobody never knows that we were together, but
That was
my
uncomfortable.
God.
Like this man just walk up and kiss her. I mean, in
I
front
just
of
kissed
me.
in front of him and everybody else.
It was uncomfortable. I mean, I hear that is how he is.
He is, but
Yeah. So. Yeah.
Mind you, I don't think he would do that now.
Better not.
Or anybody else.
Better
Me
not.
not know nobody who would do that.
I am a lover, not a fighter, but
And those who I don't know can't get so close to me anyway. So.
those you don't know, but suppose it's somebody what you know.
And I'm saying those who know me not gonna do that.
Well,
And-
some people brave and brazen, you know.
Yeah, and then I pick up a box.
If the person does it, it is not cheating. But if you do it
Right.
as the partner,
Or if you
or allow
continue,
it, or yeah, it is. I don't even think it's cheating, but I think it's very wrong.
inappropriate.
A strong inappropriate.
Strong inappropriate.
And it suggests that there is something more. Yeah.
Yeah, because kissing is very, what's it
I
called?
heard uptown looking for downtown buying.
No,
So
man.
it unlocks the keys.
It's very, what
to
you call that
the
word?
coloring.
Very
Intimate.
Yes.
If your partner is on a dating website.
No.
If your partner is on
A lot of these
website.
questions are not cheating per se, but just very inappropriate.
Suppose I just want to feel like I'm still
So you
matching.
know galang then? No galang over there?
Still have the groove, you know, still got it. Post a profile every now and then, see who checks me out. Your partner sleeps over at the opposite sex sleeps over at either their house or a shared venue and sleeps in the bed with the person even though nothing happened. Is that cheating or not cheating?
Very inappropriate.
Very inappropriate, not cheating. I agree. First things first, I would give the person the bed and sleep on the ground. If there's no other space to be in, I'll sleep on the ground. There's a couch, there is a settee,
So I'm driving boy, my God, I drive come straight back on my yard. I don't trust.
Well, if it's a close friend and there are close friends that I know that me trust. I mean, I trust the person and I trust you.
Oh,
but
you
still
mean like a very
inappropriate.
close friend?
Yeah, but it's still inappropriate.
I wouldn't sleep in the same
If
bed.
there is no other way, like
Me not go trust one room.
if there is no other way, fine. But I just still think as the man, you would have said, no man, I'll sleep on the ground. Or I'll
Yeah,
sleep
I
in the
do
couch,
have
or-
male friends who I'd sleep in the same room with them. Can me trust them? And they are very few.
pass it, just pass, girl.
No, my belly, me hungry. They are very few, but I do have close friends that I would trust to sleep in the same room
And if
with.
she trusts them, I trust them.
And those friends would not entertain the idea of sleeping in the same bed with me. They
Because-
wouldn't even suggest it.
Because let's be real, even if you're back turned and you're on the two sides of the bed and there's space between, when you're sleeping, you really
You
don't
don't know what
happened.
is happening. You
Where
go
you
dream,
end up,
say your wife or your
yes, and
husband
you
in
go
the
hug up,
bed
or you go
and-
kiss the person, right? So
Yeah.
it's
It's just inappropriate. It's very
It's
inappropriate.
inappropriate.
So big up to a male friend them who I have whom I
inappropriate.
trust.
Yeah, but there are people who we trust.
Yeah.
Final one: hanging out with your ex without telling your partner. Hanging out.
Hanging
not
out, what
booking
is
up,
hanging?
not having a drink. Well, maybe having a drink counts as hanging out. Spending quality time with an ex without telling your partner.
Quality time.
Quality time.
Yes, that's cheating.
The person comes from America.
That's probably emotional cheating.
The person comes from America and they say, hey, let's link up. And you go out for dinner or for lunch together. Don't say anything to the person. Spend probably hours just having fun.
Maybe that suggests that something into something. I mean, it can be
Innocent.
innocent.
So how come the previous one me have to tell you? Say, and no, because of your ex, me don't have to tell you.
No, I never say you don't have to tell me.
That's what
I
you're
don't reach there,
suggesting.
so no, I never suggest that. I don't see why I wouldn't tell you. First of all, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to ask you if you're okay with it.
Ask you, hear that? Boy, I think.
Yeah, I wouldn't just go that and that. I'm not like that. I wouldn't just go.
Babe,
But-
are you okay? Decency?
No,
Respect,
are you okay?
babe, are you okay with me going to hang out with so and so and so for a
Yeah.
couple hours, catch up, so and so?
Yeah.
And I would say if you're okay, I am okay. Because the truth is, if your partner is uncomfortable, like you being the person, and you are questioning it, I don't know the person, I wasn't the person's ex, right? If you are questioning it, then I would say no. Because you may feel like this person may try something. Yeah. But at the end of the day, for me, you have to trust your partner. You have to be in a relationship where you can have these conversations and not feel as if everything, insecure, everything is cheating,
But hold
everything is
on,
inappropriate.
how are you now saying that you should ask permission or whatever? Is it because it's an ex versus a friend? A female or a male friend? Because previously you were saying, or unless you were just playing the devil.
Yeah, of course. No. X is different. X is.
You're gonna have a past.
It's not uncharted territory. That is territory that you've been attached, right? Whether emotionally, heartically, intimacy, intimately.
Okay, gotcha.
It happens. So,
Gotcha.
and there's a Jamaican saying about old fire stick, right? Or old.
All stick easy for catch.
Yes, something like that. So no, don't play around, guys. We're flesh, we're human. Things happen. Be respectful in a relationship. Have the difficult conversations, and just be real. And don't cheat.
Don't cheat. It don't make no sense. Might as well just left the person and
I have my goal right here, so I'm gonna cheat for.
better. Oh.
Anyway, guys, we're out. Thank you for watching. Feel free to drop your views in the comments below. Like, share, remember to subscribe, and thank you. If there's anything you want us to discuss similar to this or share our views on it, let us know. You can always message us on IG. You can always email us, StuffFromTheCuffs@gmail.com, or follow us on IG, Basilia B. Cuff, Brian M. Cuff, Stuff From The Cuffs, also on TikTok, Basilia B. Cuff, DMC Valiant, and Stuff From The Cuffs. We love you now.
Bye.
Don't cheat. Or she will beat. And then you're not able to do things we don't meet.
Or your feet.
What feet? You